Transferring gifts to Grabpay is a convenient way to utilize your gifts and make payments or purchases through the Grab application. To begin, ensure you have the latest version of the Grab app installed on your mobile device and that you have a Grabpay account. First, open the Grab app and navigate to the Grabpay section. This is usually found on the homepage of the app, represented by a wallet icon. Click on the Grabpay wallet to access your account details and available balance. Next, look for the option to add or transfer money into your Grabpay wallet. This option may be labeled as Top Up or Add Money. Click on this option to proceed to the next step. You will then be presented with various payment methods to add money to your Grabpay wallet, including credit or debit cards, online banking, and gift cards. Select the gift card option as you are transferring a gift to your Grabpay account. Enter the gift card details, including the gift card number and PIN, and the amount you wish to transfer. Ensure the gift card is valid and has sufficient balance to complete the transfer. Once you have entered the gift card details, review the information to ensure it is correct. If everything is in order, confirm the transfer and wait for the transaction to be processed. The transfer may take a few seconds to a few minutes to complete. Depending on the system, you will receive a notification once the transfer is successful, and the amount will be reflected in your Grabpay wallet. It is essential to note that there may be transaction limits and fees associated with transferring gifts to Grabpay. Be sure to check the Grab website or app for the most up-to-date information on transaction limits and fees. By following these steps, you can easily transfer gifts to your Grabpay account and enjoy the convenience of making payments or purchases through the Grab app. Remember to always keep your account and transaction information secure to avoid any potential issues.